Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Freezing Bloody Ass Tannel. I'm here 175 meters up in the sky in Tallinn, Estonia, on top of Tallinn's TV tower, and just minutes ago I filmed my final shots for my first ever designed wall-mounted chassis and my first ever rigid or hard tubing water-cooled PC. So I think I got most of the shots here. If I didn't, then I'm gonna shoot them downstairs somewhere inside. It's bloody cold here, and yeah, winter is here in Estonia. I waited this clear weather for a month, so yeah, it wasn't as good as I thought. And at the moment it's getting even worse at the moment, so I'm gonna head back in. But anyway, check out this 40-minute long build, final build video, where you can see most of the stuff that I did with the with my T-2017 SWP or soldered wireless PC build. So hopefully you'll enjoy it. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I might do a Q&A also after. But anyway, that was my first chassis project. Hope you guys liked it, and yeah, thanks to Jan, just an absolutely incredible guy who modified my motherboard and video card a little bit. So yeah, really huge thanks to Jan, and of course absolutely insane thanks to all my sponsors, mainly ASUS and of course Thermaltake and Intel. So yeah, thank you everybody, and can't wait to see what I can build next. I have some plans, but at the moment I'm gonna head back in because it's bloody freezing here. My CPU temp was at 9 degrees, so that's kind of like good, but the weather is not. Stay warm, guys. I'll see you soon. Ciao. Hey, what's up everybody? Tanel here. It is the 11th of May, and I'm here in the middle of Tallinn, somewhere in the ghetto, and I have my first wall-mounted chassis parts. This is the backplate. As you can see here, we can see the final part, the most interesting part, I guess, which is the actual motherboard, where the motherboard and all the PC components will go. And as you can see, this is where the radiator goes, and this is where the pump goes, this is where the power supply unit will go. 3.5-inch hard drives, 2.5-inch hard drives, and the motherboard itself. And yeah, everything is pretty perfectly thought out. But yeah, this is it, and I'm really excited about it. So right now I need to wait for the guy who does the bending here under a huge heavy-duty machine, and yeah, then it's time for the paint job and the final assembly. So I'm right now in between painting and wrapping the case, so I don't know which way I'm gonna go, but yeah, I do have some great painters and wrappers helping me out on that, so should be pretty good. So, the Bauer made a really interesting tool for Skylake X delidding. And I really want to delete my Skylake X also, but I didn't have a chance to get the delidding tool. But with my friend Jan, we made one! My Skylake X delidded, and pretty much what we're gonna do now is take the old silicon off from here, clean the entire CPU really perfectly, apply some liquid metal here, Cool Laboratories Ultra I'm gonna use. Yeah, maybe could have ordered the Grizzly, but I guess there's not a lot of difference in actual temperature between the two compounds. But anyway, yeah, Skylake X delidded the Estonian way. Alright, so I need to cover the spot here. Anyway, it's time to it's time to test how the power connections work. I'm covering. It's like I'm saying like the US, Constitution or whatever. Anyway, look, this is the Rampage 6 Extreme. We have a very powerful cooler at the moment for the 7900X. Should be enough. And what is that? X700 Pro? Something like that. So we're gonna test out if we die or not. Nagu töötaks vist. Alright, so first boot. Completely fine, no powers, no power sockets, nothing. No 4-pin, no 8-pin, no 24-pin. Everything works. And everything is soldered. Now that's how we roll in Estonia.
What's it say?
Well, it says, I love it when a plan comes together.
it's 23rd of November here. It's 7:30 a.m. at the moment, and I've been up all night to get lucky, pretty much, because I've been messing about with my water cooling setup, and at the moment here, 5 minutes ago, I finally finished everything. I put water inside, I hit the start button, and no leaks, everything works perfectly. So I'm gonna drain it after I wake up, and I'm gonna actually put some red color inside the tubes. Although I'm really digging the just the clear water inside my water cooling here. But yeah, being up all night to get this thing going, there was a lot of freaking messing about with my tubes, but everything worked out really well in the end. Huge shout out to Mike from Germany, who sent me these tubes actually. It was Thermaltake's V tubular, which were the only 1000 millimeter tubes that I found, and yeah, he was kind enough to send me some, and also he sent me this fan, so thanks Mike for everything. The tubes, I mean, it was a 4-pack, 4 1000 millimeter tubes, and it was my first time building, so didn't really have time to, you know, learn how to actually bend everything perfectly and cut everything perfectly. There's maybe slight, you know, edge on some of these tubes, but you know, when I get some more tubes, I'm definitely gonna fix these in the long run if I want. And but yeah, for my very first build, everything came out perfectly. I would say. No leak issues, nothing at all like that. No bubbles anywhere. There were some really really hard bending to be done, especially the one that goes to the CPU and the radiator. That was really difficult to do. And also this one here, the video guard to the bump, was difficult. And the most difficult one was from the bump to the rat here. I had to use one whole 1000 millimeter tube, and I actually messed up my first one, so I had to use the second one, and then I had just 2 tubes left for the entire other build. And yeah, I kind of wanted to do this part a little bit differently in the first place, but then in the middle of, you know, bending, I was like, wait a second, this looks actually a lot better, so I scratched that. Because I had some extra tubes and I didn't think I need a lot over there. So yeah, everything worked out really well in the end. Now I have absolutely no idea how this thing actually stays upright at the moment, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna go to sleep. It's pretty sturdy here. It's pretty sturdy. It's like 6 grand worth of gear at the moment here. Please don't fall. My heart will fall. Anyway. Yeah, that's my quick little update here, and really happy how this thing has turned out. So next step will be, you know, pretty much cable management behind the PC here, and also RGB strips, so all these plexiglasses will, you know, glow some RGB out of it. And other than that, yeah, I'm gonna put the rods inside the chassis here, and I'm gonna just stick a glass window pretty much in front of it. I had some, you know, some edges also, but nobody in Estonia really knew or really had any chance to weld aluminium by design. So they can do, you know, welding that's not really difficult, but if you need them to be exact, precise, you know, by millimeter, then yeah, not really possible in Estonia. Really weird. Need to check that out a little bit more. But anyway, yeah, gonna go head to sleep, and then yeah, gonna mess about with the water. I'm gonna take out this water, and maybe that gets some of the stuff also out here, and then I'm gonna put the red color in it. But anyway, yeah, really happy. Oh god. Alright, so it's 22nd of November here today, and it's like 7:30 a.m. People are driving to work at the moment here behind me, but I'm gonna head to sleep very soon. But anyway, today is a very special day. My PC is pretty much done. It's like 100% complete, -1. Or two. I don't have these SSDs yet, so I have the 2.5-inch regular SATA hard drives at the moment here, but they are gonna be switched out today after I wake up, and I'm gonna have Samsung 850 EVOs or something like that on it. And after that, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna just wait for a nice day where there wouldn't be any rain or snow, and then I can actually do the reveal video on top of the Tallinn's TV tower, which is, I can't actually see it from my window, but yeah, there's no point going there if it's like icy up there or if it's raining, because rain, hey, doesn't work really well with my PC yet, not like their Bauer's M3 Nova PC. Maybe that's next build that I should take a look into. But anyway, yeah. Oh, been a long time coming, and finally done here. I mean, it looks so good in my opinion, and I'm really pleased how it all turned out. So today, yeah, I switched out the water to the EK Cryofuel Blood Red or something like that, and also installed the RGB lights behind the power supply, the SSDs over here, the SSDs over here, and behind the pump and behind the radiator. And I think the lighting is pretty perfect. I didn't want it to be extra bright and stuff like that, but I just want them to be like, you know, easily breathing through the plexiglass, and I think I've managed it pretty well, although a lot of cable messes behind the power supply unit, so the lighting is not really well visible from the down area, from underneath the power supply, but it still has a pretty nice Thermaltake RIING Plus 14cm fan like these here. But anyway, yeah, that's gonna be it for my conclusion video here or something like that. And yeah, it's been very tiring, but I'm really happy that it's done. So next step is, yeah, to switch out the 2.5-inch hard drives here to SSDs, which I'm gonna do today, and I guess I'm gonna drill holes today also. So I'm gonna drill 4 holes to attach the PC on the wall, and then I'm gonna see if my HDMI cable actually reaches my video card there. And yeah, I'm gonna maybe extend some HDMI cables or something like that. And yeah, I'm maybe gonna even draw out that huge drawer there, and I'm gonna put the glass table underneath it so it looks a little bit better. But anyway, this is gonna be it for my video here, and yeah, I'm very happy. Thanks for everybody supporting me. A special huge thank you for ASUS for supplying me a lot of stuff here, and yeah, Thermaltake and all kinds of other companies that make this happen, also Intel. But anyway, yeah, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna head to sleep, my voice is gone. Thanks for watching.